Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a suspended Twitter account. So let's get into it. First of all, open up a search engine or a browser. And the next thing you need to do is to go to this website here, which is help.twitter.com. And this is going to take you straight to their Twitter Help Center. And then once you're on the Help Center, all you need to do is tap on the search bar and type in appeal. Tap Appeal a Locked or Suspended Account. And then Twitter is going to explain how you can go and appeal this account suspension. As you can see, it does say you're currently not logged in or logged into a Twitter account that is not suspended or locked. And the next thing you need to do is go and tap on Log Out. And this is gonna go and log you out of any accounts, and you'll be taken to a page where you can go and sign into Twitter. And then once you've logged a suspended Twitter account, you can then go and complete the appeal form, and hopefully Twitter will go and unsuspend your account and unlock it. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.